Hello, you all. So this is David. We just have a workshop done today, and let's see how everybody said about what do they like about. Who want to go first? Janice, say it, Janice. There you go.
Well, hello. I'm Janice Mathis, and what I enjoyed about this class today is that there were some hidden things inside of me that I've just kind of kept buried. So as it stands now, they're being stirred up. So I thank God, and they're going to be useful in my growth in my business and in my personal life.
Thank you, Janice. Who want to go next?
Hello.
Go ahead and share what did you learn on today.
I learned how to stay motivated despite difficulties. I learned how to be open to help and criticism, and how to take the advice from people who are more experienced in areas than I am.
Okay, great.
Well, hello, you guys. I learned that my name's Kevin Wilson, and I learned today that I can't do everything by myself. So sometimes you need help, and you have to have a team in order to achieve and accomplish things in life. So as of today, I do detailing, but I try to do it all on my own and make all the money on my own. But I learned that I'm wearing myself out, and that I have to get a team in order to accomplish different things in life.
Y'all drive away from what, Arkansas?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
what's your name? And what
My
you
name
learn?
is LaTosha, and today I learned to move now. Don't procrastinate. Get on things immediately. Don't get the devil or nobody else time to jump in and steal whatever is there for you.
Yeah, come on. She gonna be a lot.
Hello, I just
Your
learned
name?
how to be, my name is LaTosha Whittier, and I just learned how to be motivated and focused, and to just stay in the race no matter what.
Okay.
Hey everyone, hey, how y'all doing? Listen, my name's Fred. Today I learned just to allow patience to have its perfect work, and true success is not something that happens overnight, but it takes time and diligence. So yeah, thank you so much, David.
You're welcome. Come on, Marcella. You good? Okay. All right, that's it for today, and see y'all at the next workshop.